what you need to know before you order the Sagging Recliner Seat Cushion Repair Kit. This is a repair kit and a little more involved than you may want to tackle. It involves turning your reclining furniture upside down and feeding a specialized foam under the seat springs. It's not complicated or that difficult, but you may break a sweat. First, turn the item over and make sure the springs are the same as in this picture. Will not work with a broken seat spring, strap webbing, or coil springs. Results will vary depending on the remaining seat foam density. Also, positive results diminish as weight approaches 290 pounds. Order one Sagging Recliner Support Seat Cushion Repair Kit for each recliner seat you want to restore. There should be a noticeable improvement without taking the entire chair apart and replacing the seat foam. How to install. 1. Turn the reclining sofa, or love seat upside down, exposing the seat springs. 2. Extend the footrest so it won't open abruptly while you're working on it. Warning: failure to do this could lead to losing a finger. If the footrest is fully extended, there's no danger or risk. 3. Start at one side. Take one hand and pull out on a single spring and start by pushing the stiff foam insert under each spring with your other hand. Pulling up on each spring as you go makes it easier to get the insert under. 4. Note, using two people makes this a lot easier. One can pull on each spring while the other one pushes the foam under it. Do one spring at a time. 5. Bring the foam across the seat cushion equal distance from each side. 6. Scoot or adjust the foam inserts across the center. You want placement at the location of your hips when sitting in your seat for maximum support. 7. Depending on the severity of your sag, you can use just one insert, use 2 or 3 side by side, 2 side by side with one on top, or even 3 inserts stacked on top of each other. This foam material has the durability to rest against the seat springs, yet have the cushioning ability needed to compress the remaining foam to increase firmness. A tremendous value if you can delay buying new furniture.